I saw a couple over here.
Here. These are pretty cool.
They're expensive though. It'd be a bad.
Whoa! You need to. In and out. What is it? Trout. Yeah. Trout. You see the in the middle of this river.
Is it wrapped around?
No.
That's a nice one, man. Just a couple of pounds.
Yeah, like one. Maybe two.
Dude, that's like 5 pounds, I think.
5 pounds. Making a picture of my fly in the air next to his face. That looks like mops.
Looks like what?
Mop, like a mop head. Put them up in floor.
Extensions from a mannequin.
Hopefully he and I are not gonna come here because I left my fishing license in the car. And his line is breaking. Like.
Now because of all the show boating you're gonna lose it. That's a nice one.
What is that? Rock or a log? Musky my ass. It's a snag. Oh, the sand gets a little bit harder. I was going to say on the rocks. What is that? Catfish?
It's a mustache got it on a mannequin hair wig. Why?
Hair wig. It's a I got one more t-shirt in my car, by the way. On that fence. That's pretty fun. Walleye!
Northern? Wait, let me get closer.
Walleye!
Wow, it's a jumper.
Jumping like a torpedo.
Well, it's getting deeper here too.
Like that.
It's a nice fish. It's gonna snap your line? Hope not.
Somebody met him.
Hope not.
Hey, Slawo, come show us how you're going to take this fish off.
Wait. Wait.
Shit, man, you found my fish. Hey, you want gloves? At least.
Do you want gloves?
You got it.
How about some gloves?
Take a picture, man.
I will. I am.
Take the big fly in your mouth too.
Put the pike in your mouth.
Too late.
Get a picture?
No.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
We got a video.
Largemouth? Musky bass, okay.
Hey, yes. Get away from my fish. Come get a picture.
Did you snap your rod again? Wait, 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 I'm on my way. Wait for it. Slawo, let me just pass by you. Don't snap my
That's big. Tangle up in my line. That's not bad.
Oh, it's a nice one. Turn around so the sun is... Oh, yeah. Okay.
That one.
Let him go.
Alright, yes.